Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, enter voice match and now enable Hey Google function. Tap next, more, agree, again next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be showers, with a high of 16 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.